Hey there, welcome back to the channel. You may have noticed recently that I've been posting a lot more videos on fixing original Xbox consoles lately. Well, that's because I have a deadline to fix these up by. And I keep finding interesting issues that I feel might help someone else fix their unit too. And I want to share that. But why am I only fixing Xbox units currently? I'm glad you asked. That's because I'll be going to MGC 2026 this year. And I'll be tagging along with a local game store and another retro enthusiast. The reason being is we plan to create an epic 32-player LAN party, and you're all invited. In case you've never heard of it, the Midwest Gaming Classic, or MGC for short, is a yearly game trade show that has special guests and meetups, thousands of free-to-play games, and has a massive vendor hall chock full of awesomeness that collectors and enthusiasts alike will love. This year it is opening from April 24th through the 26th at the Baird Center in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And I'm going to be there with Wade from Wade's Retro Revive and Steve, the owner of Game Together MKE, which is a local video game store located in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Here's some of the shots from last year's setup. And this year, we're going to make it even bigger. Steve has graciously allowed us to tag along with his awesome store team to set up the ultimate original Xbox 32-player LAN party. Wade and I are busying ourselves with fixing up a bunch of consoles and controllers so we have enough to go around for the event. And Game Together MKE will not only be bringing their entire store to the event for all of you looking for physical media and consoles, but also a huge selection of their free-to-play arcade units. They have a lot of classics at the store, and these are always free to play, so if you ever do visit them, be sure to check in and play some arcade games while you're there. But it'll be interesting to see if someone can beat the high scores on some of these units. Perfect Pour is a newer arcade unit that is super fun, by the way. So that about sums it up. This is also the first time I'm going to MGC, and I'm sure it's going to be pretty memorable. Now I got to get back to fixing some more Xbox units, and I really hope to see you there. But if I don't, that's okay, because I'll see you next fix. You know, I do have a lot of stuff built up again. I wonder if I should do another